NVIDIA Broadcast is a little program with a great big promise. It says it can take any room and turn it into a YouTube studio with great quality video and sound instantaneously with just a few clicks and their GPU. All you need to do is download the application, do the noise removal or the studio enhancements. On the video side for the virtual background, all you have to do is add a file here, add in the eye contact and the key light, and you're set to go. And so that's how you configure NVIDIA Broadcast. But the real question is, how does it actually hold up outside of a controlled demo? From here, you can see as it's performing, it's not so great. On the audio side, the noise removal is not that good. You can hear lots of sound artifacts still coming through. On the video side, the virtual background is struggling with the motion. Any fast movement and the edges falls apart, leaving you with a smeared, blurry outline that immediately reads as low quality to a viewer. What surprised me the most was the performance cost. This is the first time I've seen my machine actually struggle during a recording session, and that's with a dedicated NVIDIA GPU. The app is doing a lot of the heavy lifting in real time, and it shows. The one genuine win: file size. My recording went from 33 gigabytes down to 1.5 gigabytes. So if storage is a concern, that's worth noting. But here's the real thing that really put the nail in the coffin. I pulled up OBS, applied a couple of its built-in filters, and got cleaner results. No extra GPU load, no artifacts, no installation required. When free built-in filters outperform dedicated AI software, that tells you something. So NVIDIA Broadcast gets a pass from me, at least for background replacements. There are other tools I want to test,